Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Breaking the Barriers. So this is a video on editing and this is part 2. If you have not seen part 1, I suggest you click on the I button which is coming at the top of the screen and watch the first part. In first part I have discussed how various topics of grammar are useful in solving the editing exercise, and then I have started with the editing exercise. Here, as I've already discussed the topics, I am directly going to start with the exercise. This is exercise number 2. Editing exercise comes for 4 marks, CBSE class 9th, 10th and 11th. How to solve I have discussed in the first part of the video. Again I am going to discuss it here with a different exercise. E is the error column and C is the correction column. You will see the question. It will be divided into lines and together they form a paragraph. Each line contains one error. You have to track the error from the line and you have to write the error in the error column, and the correct word which will replace the error will be written in the correction column. This error and correction column you will make in your answer sheet. In your answer sheet, class 9th, 10th, 11th, nobody asks you to copy the question. You only have to make this column of error and correction in your answer sheet and give in your answers. So let's start with this exercise. First thing, you will read the complete paragraph and try to understand what it is talking about. Latex was a natural polymer produced from rubber trees. Obviously, if it is natural, it is produced from natural things like trees. It is collecting in pots that is nailed to the sides of some trees. It is used to make tough waterproof items such as Wellington boot. Each line which will contain an error will be marked with an alphabet. Like here A, B, C, D, E, F. These 6 lines contain error. The last line is not marked. That means it is not having any error in it. All the lines which will be marked will be having a blank in front of them in your question paper. This blank denotes that these lines contain error. Now let's see how you have to track it. I told you you have to read the sentence till the full stop and then you have to find the error. So first is latex was a natural polymer produced from rubber trees. Full stop. So latex was a natural polymer. Was is talking in past tense. But latex is produced today also. So was nahi, is. Latex is a natural polymer. So your error is was, because it means that latex was produced in the past. But the correct situation is that latex is produced in present era also. That is why we will convert it into present tense. Was will be converted to is. Error of tense. First line. Second, produced from rubber trees. From is your error. It is not produced from, it is produced by rubber trees. Why by? From भी तो यहाँ सही बैठ रहा था. From we will not use because from is only a preposition. But by also being a preposition, it also acts as a noun or an adverb. So here this is the verb produced. That is why from will not be used because it is only a preposition. By will be used because it is also an adverb. Produced by rubber trees. Full stop. I hope this is clear. Coming to the next line. It is collecting in pots. Collecting, present continuous. No. They are talking about a process. So it is collected. It happens. That is why collecting is your error. And it will be converted to collected. Due to lack of space, I am not writing it completely. So it is collected in pots. Present tense, past. Collected in pots and that is nailed to the sides of pots. Plural. Then why we are using is? Plural के साथ क्या use करते हैं? Are. Pots is plural. That is why it is not is. It is are. Collecting in pots that are nailed to the sides of some trees. I hope this much is clear. Then to the sides of some trees. Line number D is converted to R. Then sides of some trees. Now why some trees? Obviously rubber trees, all rubber trees produce latex. You have to apply some logic also. सारे rubber trees latex produce करते हैं. Then why we are using some? This sum is your error. Sum is your error and it will be the trees. The article the will be used. Why the? Because we are talking about particular latex trees. With particular things we use article the. So not some trees but the trees. It is used to made tough waterproof items such as Wellington boots. Why made? It will be make, M-A-K-E. We are making the boots, items such as boots. So this made will be converted to make. To make tough waterproof items such as Wellington boots. I hope this much is clear. So this is the second exercise that we are going to discuss in this video. And this exercise is having error in 4 lines. See, 4 lines are marked over here. First line is not marked, it is a complete line, logical line. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Out of these 6 lines, the middle 4 lines are having errors. They are marked A, B, C, D. So let's see how we have to solve this. Neil Armstrong was the first commander for Apollo 11. He was the first to walk over the moon. Full stop. We will not use the word over. He didn't walk over the moon. He walked on the moon. So over is your error. And because he walked on the moon, he didn't completely walk over the moon and went somewhere else. He walked on the surface of the moon a few steps. So over will be replaced with on. Error of preposition. Next, what many people do not knew is that unlike most of their fellow, many people do not knew. Knew is a word of past tense, and when we are saying that most of the people don't know this, we are talking about something which we are telling the people. It cannot be termed in past tense. It will be know. What many people do not know. So here in line number B, your error is new and it will be replaced with no. So what many people do not knew will become no is that unlike most of their fellow. There, why there? We are talking about Neil Armstrong. The subject of this paragraph is Neil Armstrong. He is a single person. We cannot use there for him. We'll use people do not know is that unlike most of his fellow astronauts. There will be converted to his. Last line. Astronauts, he was the civilian. Why are we using the? We are not talking about any specific civilian. We are saying that Neil Armstrong was a civilian. He was not from military like other astronauts. He was a civilian, a common man. So this the is your error and a is your correct word. Okay? We are not talking about any particular civilian. We are saying that Neil Armstrong was a civilian before he became astronaut. He was not from military. That is why article a. So this is how we have solved this exercise. I hope this explanation and solving is beneficial for you and it will help you to understand editing in a better way. That's it for today. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the like button.